Hi, and welcome to the first in a new series of command tutorials. Let me just start AutoCAD and I'll explain. I keep on getting asked how to do stuff or where people can find information about commands or do I know of any good books or, you get asked a lot of that. And I'm not always available, I know, because at college, you're only in for a certain amount of time and people don't want to bother you when you're not at college. And um, I get asked for recommendations all the time. And I find that as far as doing things in AutoCAD are concerned, and let me just start up AutoCAD, so I'll go for a new drawing. A lot of the help that most people would need is already here inside of AutoCAD. There is a huge help section. Let me just show you what I mean. You know probably by now, if you take any time and on the hover over something, just say the stretch command. If you hover over something, you'll get that little tooltip comes up and explains what it's about. If you look down the bottom of that tooltip, it says press F1 for more help. So I'm pressing F1 and up pops the help menu. It even tells me exactly how to do this. Oh, look, I've got to grab the end. Yeah, there's the end that's been selected, and then I can drag it in a particular direction. So you select an object, you select basically, you leave one part as a base point, or you can specify a base point, then you can specify a second point. And by the look of it, from what it says there, you can actually do it by coordinates. So you can extend something by a set distance. And you can see there to set a displacement based on the relative distance, blah, blah, blah. And it goes on. There is a lot of information. If that's not enough, what about resizing the objects, modifying the dimensions or the dimension geometry? What about any related tasks to what you're doing with that object? There's tons of stuff up here. This is as good as a really thick, well-detailed book, and it's sitting there inside of your AutoCAD. Now, if you're not quite sure exactly what you want, and let me just think of something random. I'm a new user. I'm going to go up to this little question mark at the top and just bring up that. If I didn't want to go find that little question mark up the top there, I can hit my F1. Same thing, right? And I can't remember what the command is to put a rounded edge on a corner. So I'm just going to say round a corner, right? Is there any command any of you users out there? Is there any command that says round a corner? No, but I've just found the command I'm looking for. Fillet, right? So a fillet command will round a corner. So if you just put in there what you're looking for, you don't have to know the commands. This will start to teach you the commands. You could put, I just want to round a corner, right? And it will say, well, fillet will round a corner. You'll see it. Oh yeah, fillet, that's the one. And then you can open it up and follow the commands inside. So this, I mean, look at the amount of text and the amount of options that it shows you, even going into the 3D and putting fillets on 3D models. So yeah, there is a lot of help inside of AutoCAD, and that will be my first tip. Look for the help button or press F1. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.